What's the meaning of calabash? Calabash. Calabash.
Calabash. Calabash. Calabash is a term that refers to two things: a type of tropical vine in the gourd family, and the dried, hollowed-out fruit that is commonly used for making containers, bowls, and musical instruments. The term has also come to be associated with a style of decorative art that makes use of the gourd's natural shape and texture. In general, the word calabash is often used to describe anything that is made out of a gourd, or that has a similar shape or appearance. Overall, it is a versatile plant that has been utilized by many cultures throughout history for a variety of purposes.